Here's some Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I don't know which field. The rules in millimetres, the material's wetted. That's the white there that you can see coming off some of the stones. A lot of this looks like possibly some of it could be choroid or matrix material. We'll just go in a bit closer. Okay, we'll start off with this interesting circular piece. That could end up, and you can see here there's a pattern that way. So that's really the bottom of the stone, possibly. Other pieces look very much like choroid material. Possibly matrix. This piece looks a bit like it's botryoid or matrix on the outside anyway. Sometimes these little nodules are full of colour. Whether that is or not, I don't know. Probably not. Sorry. Little eyes of colour in this piece. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.